Hello guys, welcome back to this week's Tech Bites. Thanks for the love and support you gave for the previous Tech Bite. It crossed 50 views in just 2 hours. And now let's get started. Vivo X50 Pro teased with gimbal-like camera stabilization tech. X50 Pro will feature quad rear cameras. The handset is rumored to feature a curved Super AMOLED punch-hole display. The expected price in India is around 36k. The app Remove China Apps was taken down from Google Play Store regarding the community guidelines of Google. It had already reached over 1 million downloads by then. Apple is tracking several iPhones that were stolen from its retail stores during the protests in the US over the death of American George Floyd. Thieves who stole iPhones from Apple retail locations in New York, LA, and Washington were surprised to see screen messages reading that this device has been disabled and is being tracked. Local authorities will be alerted. Samsung on Thursday launched Galaxy A31 in 6GB 128GB variant with 48MP quad camera setup and 5000 mAh battery for just $21,999. The federal court is ordering video game giant Sony to pay $3.5 million in fines for breaching consumer rights. The customers who digitally downloaded games were unhappy with the games, but they were very unhappy when they realized that they would not get their money back. A public school in the Philippines held a cyber graduation ceremony for 6th graders. Remote controlled robots wearing caps and gowns received diplomas with screens displaying students' faces on top. Graduates and their families watched through a Facebook live stream. Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi has patented for a foldable smartphone that looks similar to the Huawei Mate X. Xiaomi apparently filed for the patent in late 2019. Looking at the patent images, the smartphone will feature a flexible display. On Thursday, June 4, Epic Games unveiled its free mystery game, Overcooked. Now go and grab it. That's it all for this week, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this bite. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on tech.